Start this morning with banking stocks in focus, and of course yesterday we saw a bloodbath on the banking stocks. Bank Nifty had fallen by about 2% or so yesterday. Things look a little better today, but let's get your view to begin with on HDFC Bank. How do you see HDFC Bank faring on the charts this morning?
So, see, once again, HDFC Bank has started consolidating. In fact, it corrected quite a bit. So, some bit of pullback is expected, but I'm not expecting any major fireworks in the stock. There's a lot of participation and from the FII side also, and they are majorly on the selling side as of now. So, level wise, intraday resistance is around 1730. Going ahead, a slightly positional view, then around 1755 to 1760 area would be crucial to watch out for. Only if it sustains above that, then we can say that yes, the bank is out of the woods and we may rally above 1800 once again. But till then, it's a sell on rise stock, not expecting any major fireworks.
Right, not expecting any major fireworks, but that 1800 level, as you said, is going to be crucial for HDFC Bank. I want to shift your focus now to ICICI Bank. And ICICI Bank, the news coming in yesterday is that it has been hit with a GST notice of over 100 crore rupees or so. Not a major GST demand notice in that sense, 100 crore for ICICI Bank. This will be litigated, I'm sure, in the courts. But is this something which is likely to move ICICI Bank stock today?
See, the notice is actually a negative news, but the stock is rallying. So that clearly, indicates the inherent strength that the stock has got. Compared to HDFC Bank, I think if one has to go compulsorily, has to buy a banking stock, it should be ICICI Bank. And because it has been a slow and steady downward spiral on the stock, and then since last couple of weeks it has been consolidating and not making newer lows. So it's at a base, a weekly support of 12550 to 1255 area. From here on we can expect the stock to bounce back up to around 1325. So that's a good bet. ICICI Bank is a good compelling buy at current levels, a trading buy at current levels with a stop loss of 1255.
All right, a stop loss of 1255 on ICICI Bank. Let's move focus now to other corporate news emerging, Avni, and this one coming in from Adani Enterprises, which is in focus today as the company has taken a big step into the refinery, petrochemical and chemical business. Its subsidiary Adani Petrochem Limited has partnered with Thailand's Indorama Resources to form a joint venture, both companies holding equal stake. How is this likely to impact Adani Enterprises today?
So again, based on news, we may see a good pullback in the stock. 2610 is the 50-day exponential moving average, which it has not been able to cross since last, I wouldn't say a couple of weeks, but for months now. So that is the crucial level where again selling pressure may emerge. This current positive news may see the stock give a pullback up to around 2600.
Right, well, the stock is up about 1.5% in trade this morning, right now at about 25.51. Avni, let's move on to another company this morning, and this comes by the news that the Finance Ministry is reportedly approving a 25,000 crore rupee PLI boost for electronics components. One company which is likely to get positively impacted more than many others is Dixon Technologies. Your view on Dixon this morning, Avni?
So Dixon is a stock wherein the view has been consistently positive, and even in these small retracements that we see, small profit booking scenarios that we see, it becomes a better buy. So currently also, if you notice yesterday also, we did not see any major crack in the stock. It is trading well above the 20-day short term, very extremely short term 20-day exponential moving average all throughout. And at current levels also, I think it's a very good buy. The target on the stock is around 20,000. So every dip should be used as a buying opportunity.
Every dip should be used as a buying opportunity is a word coming in from Avni Bhatt. Avni, let's move on to Zomato. Jefferies has downgraded Zomato to hold from the previously buy call and has cut the price target by about 18% as competition in the quick commerce race heats up. Now, after Zomato's shares more than doubled in value in 2024, analysts at Jefferies now predict that 2025 could be a breather year. What do you think of Zomato in today's trading session, Avni?
Zomato has been in news for a couple of days now, and not very positive. It is facing a lot of competition on the price action. Also, every small pullback that it tries to give, there's a lot of selling pressure at higher levels. Now, yesterday it has given a breakdown, and the target for this breakdown on the downside is around 243, 244 levels. So we may see the stock crack up to around those levels, and in between, if there is any pullback, then up to around 260 would be a good selling opportunity.
260 would be a good selling opportunity, but on the charts this morning, Zomato is down about 3.7% in trade today. Well, another stock that I want to now turn your attention to, Avni, is coming in by way of news on Titan. Now, Titan, Citi has given a neutral call on Titan, setting a target price of 3,600 rupees per share. The company's jewelry business, excluding bullion, reported a 26% year-on-year growth driven by strong festive demand in Q3. Tanishq stone expansion remained robust during the quarter. Carrot Lane also saw 25% year-on-year growth. However, growth in other standalone segments, including watches and wearables, was a mixed bag. What's your view on Titan this morning, Avni?
In fact, Titan has given a breakout above 3,500 congestion zone on good volumes. After a very long time, volumes have picked up in this particular stock. So I am expecting the stock to go up to at least around 3,750. And on the downside, a good, very good support level, even by going by the options data, a good support base is being formed around 3,500 levels. So if at all there is any dip close to 3,500, 3,520 levels, it should be used as a buying opportunity for a target of 3,750 on the upside.